Hey guys, this is the most exciting time of my life. I have some packages here today, and they're all squishy packages. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. And I ordered these off on Amazon, but they're all like, oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the one I think is the 20 packs. They ordered 20 packs for 10 for me and then 10 for Anna. If you don't know her, go check out her YouTube channel. I don't know if she deleted it or not, but yeah. You guys get first peek. I can see, ooh, what's in the baggie? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I've ordered from here before. So here's a 20 piece. Came like this little bag, which I thought was so cute. I'm gonna take them out one by one and show you guys. There's some cute ones in here. So here's the note. It just says, "Dear customer, I'm glad you like our products and everything. So thank you for that." Oh, they gave me a jumbo panda one, you guys. Oh my god, I can already see it. Okay. So the first thing I see that caught my eye was the jumbo panda one, and it's the boy face one that I do not have, so I'm really excited. Oh my god, it's so right. This is the squishiest thing ever. Oh my god. The next one is this like bear, like mad face, I guess. Really cute. This donut, it's pink with black or chocolate drizzle, I think. This really cute. Oh my god, I don't know what this is, but it's so cute. It's like a little, it's not very surprising, but it's so squishy. I'm not sure what that is. This like fake yummy bear donut. This other donut, not very squishy. This strawberry, oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. I have one, but it has chocolate. Oh my god, that's really so rising and really squishy. This, oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. And then this really cute little face bun. It's really so rising. This loaf of bread, which is the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this one's really so rising. This other panda bun. My friend and I think, got like the exact same package. Because I see a lot of the ones that she got in here. But like different kinds and colors. This is really cute. Next one is this toast. This is really, really squishy. This other like Anson toast bread or loaf of bread. This one's real squishy. I've always wanted one of these, like this little sandwich. This is so cute. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited right now. This steam one, which my friend Anaya also got. I'm not gonna take these out because like it's gonna take forever. This toast bread thing. It's like a kissy face. It's like pink. I love this one. I've always wanted these turtles. Oh my god, yay! I'm so excited about this one. It's so cute. I've always wanted this one. Or like a turtle. Squishy. Another fishy. I have one of these, but it's like a tan color. It's like a taiyaki fish. A heart. Oh my god, that's really squishy. And the last one is not really sure. I'm just gonna take this one out because I like this area. It's like this. I really like this one. This one's really cute. So those are all of the 20 piece I ordered. I'm sorry if I'm going kind of fast. I just really want to see what's in one of these packages. So that is really cute. I'm going to figure out which ones I can give it to Anaya. The second one I'm opening is this one. Pretty sure this is my Penny Maru pancake. Mini pancake, but I'm not sure. So you guys can get the first peek. If you guys can see. Tell me. Oh, there's a note or an invoice, I think. I can already feel it. Oh my god, this is my mini pancake bear. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me just take it out. Okay, there's the squishy. Anything else? No? Okay. It's so many! Oh my god. It came in bubble wrap. All the squishies like I ordered, they all come in bubble. Oh my god, it's so small! Yeah? Yeah?
Hey.
Okay, what?
What you doing?
I'm doing my squishy package opening.
Well, it is time to
We'll leave in a minute. We'll leave in a minute.
Huh?
We'll leave in a second. I really just want to open these.
Are you hungry?
No,
Do you want to eat before you go?
not really.
You don't?
No, I'm not hungry.
You need to eat something.
Oh, well, I'll eat there.
What?
They have food.
They have crap there.
Okay.
Let me make you something. Ham sandwich.
Okay, let me just.
Can I make you a ham sandwich?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes.
Alright. Let's put it on.
Toasted! So sorry about that, guys. Oh my god. This is so much smaller. If you don't know, there's a big version of this, and this is so much smaller than I imagined. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. It's so cute. I can't. It smells like legit bananas. That smells really good. Oh my god. It smells so good. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. I have to open this. Here's the back packaging, which is like super cute. Guys, this is crazy. How do I open it? Here we go. Be very careful because I do not want this to like, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my god, it's so small. Here it is. Smells like bananas. It smells so good. So small too. I never think it'd be this small. And it's so realistic. Here's like the little bananas. Here's the licensing on the back, so you know it's for tomorrow. Here's the little, oh my god, it's a little fork. Acrylic tag. Oh, sorry, I cannot see that. And a little ball chain. Oh my god, that's really cute. And nothing else in there. But guys, this is crazy. I never thought it'd be this small. It's so cute. One day I'm going to get the big version of this. I know I'm going to get the big version of this one day. May not be now, but it's going to be one day. And I just can't believe this is so cute. So small. Okay, the last one is like the most exciting. So cute. It is my Eye Bloom Peach. I've spoiled it for y'all. This one. It's my Eye Bloom Peach. So excited. It's the yellow one. And I'm really excited. I already have an Eye Bloom squishy, but I don't have an Eye Bloom Peach. And that's like legit squishy to have, and I cannot get this open. I just want my Eye Bloom Peach. I just want my Eye Bloom Peach. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I'm trying not to look. Oh my god, I'm trying not to look. I can see it. Oh my god! I never thought I actually had this in my hands. Oh my god, do you guys see this? Do you guys, oh my god. Oh my god. Do you guys not see this? Oh, that's so squishy. I'm gonna lose it here in a minute. I gotta have to take it out. I have to feel the real Eye Bloom Peach. This is really sticky. I'm like sweating right now. This is so crazy. Oh my god. And I got the medium one because it was the cheapest. And was like, I didn't want it to be too big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't fall out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can already feel it. Oh my gosh. Here's the net. Oh my god. Why am I taking it fully out? Who am I? It's like kind of dense, but like it's like this much dense. Do you guys see how pretty it smells? So good. Smells just like peaches. It looks like a butt. Oh my god, it's so airy. There's the licensing. Eye Bloom. You guys cannot see that. Do you guys see how slow rising this is? Oh my god! Going to freak out. Okay, I'm putting it back. I'm too risky. Oh my god, this is so cute. You guys see? It's still rising from like 17 minutes ago. I'm so exaggerating. Put it back. Put it back, Ayla. Deserves to be back in its packaging. Oh my god, you guys. I'm freaking out. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Sauce. Warning, I don't care. This is just my invoice. Oh my god, I can't believe it's still rising. I'm not even joking right now. I'm freaking out. So these two squishies are like the best squishies in my collection. I'm not even joking. I can't squish. This one's gonna take forever to rise. And like all these mini tiny ones are so cute, and I'm so excited to give some of these to Anaya. She's gonna love them. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. So I will see you guys all later.